Now that we have all of our projections covered, let's move on to creating lineups. Currently, we're only supporting initial lineups. We're not supporting late swap, but that's going to be coming in a week or two. But if you want to get started playing MLB and generating lineups, all you have to do is click the Solver tab, and then you need to adjust your build settings, how many lineups you want. In this case, I want 10,000 lineups. I want to make sure that they don't have a salary less than 48,000. I want to limit the total batting teams to 4. I definitely don't want any opposing pitchers to the batters rather. I might keep these the same as stock, and then we can get down to our optimization function. Now, if you ever want to know what an optimization function is, you can click what is this, and this will take you to a new tab that explains it. But suffice it to say, it's just an aggregated column that uses these three values: standard deviation, ownership, and fantasy points. Now, if we ever want to see what's being affected, all we need to do is pop open this custom optimization function, and we can adjust these sliders, and we can see that this value, this multiplier rather, affects this value down here. So I want to leave this as stock, which is 100 total fantasy points, 50% ownership, and 0% standard deviation. We support these current values right here that you can use to manipulate it, and if you hover over any of them, you will see a pop-up indicating exactly what they are. We also support these functions for math. If you want to see what Math.js has to offer, you can just click on this and it'll take you to the site. In the future, we're open to supporting more functions, but for now, we feel this is sufficient. So I'm going to close this up, and we have everything we need to do to start generating lineups right now. Click close, and all I need to do right now is click lineups, and this will start building my lineups. This will take a few seconds because 10,000 lineups is a lot to generate. However, when it starts finishing, you will see the lineups beginning to appear here, and you will see them saved automatically in the background. Let's change this build name to something more friendly, like build 1. And all we need to do is unfocus out of here, and that will be saved automatically for us. So if we refresh the page and go back to our Solver tab, we'll see that build 1 is automatically here. If we want to visualize it again, all we need to do is click the icon right here. And here are our lineups. In the next video, we'll be going into creating a recipe in order to extract the lineups that we want out of here. But for now, if you just want to use this to basically zoom in and filter for whatever lineups you want to visualize, you can just use this and then click over to this tab right here. And this will give you a synopsis of everything that you have for those selected lineups. Similarly, if you want to view the individual lineups themselves, you can click the table button right here, and this will take you and give you an overview of all the players that you're playing, geometric ownership, projected fantasy points, and the current stacks that these have. In the next video, like I said, we'll be exploring recipes, and that's how to create automated ways to get your lineups out of here, as well as simming.